राफेल व्यवहारावेल्यान दिल्ली परत भूकंप आयला. ह्या भूकंपाचे केंद्र गोयचो मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या घरात असा. राफेल व्यवहाराचे गुप्त फायली मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या घरात असा असे सांगपी विश्वजित राणेच्या आवाजाचे रेकॉर्डिंग दिल्लीचे काँग्रेसीन जारी केले. पण विश्वजितान मात हे आरोप फाफडून उडयले. ह्या रेकॉर्डिंगाची तपासणी करची अशेंय ताणें मागला.
हे फावट काँग्रेसीन सर्जिकल स्ट्रायक केला. काँग्रेसीचो राष्ट्रीय म्हणयारो रणदीप सुरजेवालान बुधवारा पत्रकार परिषद घेतिल्ली. ह्या वेळार ताणें राफेल वेव्हाराचेर जाल्ल्या विश्वजीत राणेच्या आवाजांतल्या उलोवपाचें रेकॉर्डिंग दाखयल्लें. आयकात तो कितें सांगता तें.
Boss, good evening. I told call today. There was a 3-hour cabinet meeting.
Okay.
Just keep it confidential. Just so you all know something. There were so many fights, so many fights. Nilesh Kabral has gone and recruited maximum engineers from his constituency. So everybody, Jay Salgaonkar took out the list and showed it to him. So everybody was fighting with him and everybody was upset because no work is being done on the recruitment front.
Okay.
Babu Asgaonkar was fighting with Sudhin Gavekar because his works are not being done. Apart from that, Chief Minister makes one very interesting statement that I have all the information of Rafael in my bedroom.
What are you saying?
I'm telling you, no?
My God.
Which you should actually make a story on today because you can cross check with somebody who you're close to from within the cabinet.
Okay.
Because this is how, this is something which he said. That means he's holding them to ransom.
I swear.
He said it's in my bedroom here only, in the flat. Each and every document of Rafael is with me. Now, whether he wanted somebody to go and inform them in Delhi or what it is, I didn't know. I didn't understand.
My God.
I called you to tell you this thing.
Oh my God. And 3 hours cabinet meeting, literally heading nowhere, or was there some kind of a thing?
Nothing. It was heading in directionless. Waste of time.
Sir, tell me something. Why is this man suddenly so interested in having an assembly session that our speaker?
Because he feels that the RSS will back him to become chief minister.
He's on his own train.
He's on his own train. Somebody else is there. That side Sudhin is very clear that he will not support him. This side Vijay is very clear that he will not support him. But we need to have a meeting because you need to communicate certain things to tell you what will be the outcome of this whole thing.
So you tell me, sir. Whenever you tell me, I'll be there.
I'll tell you. You just brief and keep because it will go in that direction only. I'm very, very clear.
Okay.
What's going to happen?
So you let me know whenever you want me to come down.
I'll do that.
Make myself.
I'll do that. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Bye.
हे रेकॉर्डिंग भायर पडटकीर मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार आणि भाजपाचो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शहाक ईमेल आणि पत्र बरयले उपरांत भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन बेगोबेग पत्रकार परिषद घेतली. रेकॉर्डिंगांतलो आवाज आणि आपल्या आवाजात साम्य आसा पूण तो आवाज आपलो न्हीच अशें ताचें म्हणणें. ताची खोलायेन चवकशी करपा खातीर मुख्यमंत्री तेच बरोबर अमित शहा उच्चस्तरीय समिती नेमतले अशें विश्वजीत सांगता.
There was never a discussion of Rafael ever by Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar or myself or anybody. What is being allegations are being made by through the doctored voice audio by Mr. Randeep Surjewala. Manohar Parrikar has never made any kind of reference to Rafael or made any kind of reference to any kind of documents or anything. I have already informed my party president and national party president Shri Amit Shah ji regarding the happenings of the doctored video. I have also sent a detailed email along with a copy of the letter written to my Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar asking for a criminal investigation and also the voice to be tested by any specialized agency. Never has this discussion of this issue taken place. This doctored video needs to be investigated by the police and the crime branch, and I have also written to my national party president Shri Amit Shah ji to please ask any top national agency to investigate into it and to come out so that these mischievous culprits can be exposed.
विश्वजिताक सेगीत टार्गेट करपी काँग्रेसीचेर विश्वजितान खर आरोप केल्यात. मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान परतून कामाक सुरवात केल्ल्यान काँग्रेस देशपेरात जाल्या अशें तो म्हणटा.
This is with reference to, I have just spoken to Manohar Parrikar, Honorable Chief Minister. We have had a detailed discussion on this doctored news that is going all over. I am getting calls from, I myself didn't know till I was told at 10:30 that this situation, somebody has, it sounds so much familiar that this has to be inquired into. I have requested by writing a letter to Honorable Chief Minister, as all the media in Goa are aware that the Congress has been making me a scapegoat for the last 16 months. Congress party in Goa is shocked at the presence of Mr. Manohar Parrikar in the secretariat yesterday. Minute they see Manohar Parrikar, they feel that they have lost ground once again. Last time when two MLAs from the Congress party, and starting from the point when I joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, they have been after me on constant occasions on various issues. After two MLAs broke from the Congress party and joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, again Chella Kumar made allegations that I was talking to him. I have not talked to Mr. Chella Kumar or any leader person from the Congress party, and I am not interested in talking to anybody.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खबराकार सुशांत गांवस आणि व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख.